Hi! In front of me is Honor X6, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. First of all, go into Settings. Now click on Bluetooth section and tap on this switcher next to Bluetooth feature in order to activate it. Then click on one of the available devices that you wish to connect to, in my case this one. Lastly, tap on Pair in the pop-up and wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. In order to disconnect them, select this gear icon next to chosen device and tap on Unpair at the bottom. If you wish to connect to the same one, click on it one more time and choose Pair again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!